I want to preface this exercise by saying that I absolutely love it. I do it every single time during my warm-ups to get a good compression going. It's more a trick than an exercise even, but it's quick, it's efficient, and let's go. So imagine that you are underwater and you are gasping for air. You want to get some air. It's called drowning, I suppose. What you would probably do would be something like this. Right? What you are doing here is that you are sucking in the air that is already trapped in your mouth through your vocal cords inside your lungs, right? So you are inhaling, but you are still emitting a sound. And this sound really gets a good compression going. Actually, the feeling you need for a good compression is almost exactly the same. Now, of course, when you sing, you need to exhale your air, not inhale. Other than some growling techniques, you always exhale. But when you compress, and you compress well, the quantity of air that you need to sing is so greatly diminished that the two feelings resemble each other greatly. So let's go to the actual demonstration.